I know these niggas mad as fuck. I'm in a trap, pussy, and we throw it up. 4-4 while my nigga throw it up. Yeah, bitch, I'm on to the good sense, I might just throw it up. These niggas ain't got no swag for real. And I ain't no little baby, but bitch, I'm in my bag for real. High as fuck, got that laugh for real. This nigga left home with a 32 man for real. Yeah, that nigga keep me tweaking. And I show it rockin' hoodies.
We just crossed the first bridge, y'all. We scared as fuck. We can't do another one. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. If you get higher than that, bitch, I be riding roller coasters. I ride the Goliath, the biggest roller coaster in America. No problem. But that, I'll get on the acrophobia, drop from the sky.
The bridge is a lot for you, too?
But that bridge is too much for me.
Is it the height?
I don't know. I think it's the swinging. Cause I ride roller coasters. I ride the drop ones.
But
like,
but the bridge that we took,
you behind me, Jessica? Are you behind me? Bitch, I'm scared. Bitch, I'm scared as fuck. Bitch, I can't do another one. I'm good, love. I'm good, love. Enjoy. Carlos, you have to tell the video where we are.
Hola. This is a privately owned property. It's called the Mistico Hanging Bridges, and will be the kind of north central part of Costa Rica, near the Arenal volcano.
Go to lunch in the Jewish community. I won't tell on the bros for immunity. Pay and beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now, let out do me. I got hoes by the crew tryna do me. My life like a movie, get hit in the water. Don't got put in no work, guys in order. This shit ain't got serious, the millions come plural. I'm leaving by more, we swiping and keeping no word. Explorer, I'm young and I'm turning, I got pictures galore. My baby mom will cost 250, I'm splurging. Got 5 million cash just in case if you merging. My young niggas kill, get away, they be virgin. It happen like this, I ain't do it on purpose. I'm working my move, nigga, who's on you working? I turned on my coupe, bought a coupe off of verses. I'm tired of these strippers, I'm pouring that nurses and doctors and dentists. You started, I finished, I told you we with it. My word is like gold in my city, I tell them to go, they gon' get it. I heard that you froze when they hit it, putting these hoes in the...
Y'all, people walk across that bridge up there. I couldn't do it. I was too scared.
Business, you know that you trippin'. I tell them no, they gon' listen. Knowing these niggas be sweet and some bitches, I'm different. She tryna leave me, I'm low down. I hang with savages, don't bring it home round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. Run through the low, call the plug, I need no power.
So we're at the end of our excursion today, y'all. We did the Hanging Bridges last, and now we're back at the same place we had breakfast at earlier. And Carlos is there. He was so awesome today, y'all. So yeah, now we're at Cafe Macadamia. Yeah, we're about to eat it. We're so hungry.
I put on trip every day from the floor. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more. Yeah, color and shouting, my driving ain't solid.
Y'all, we made it back to our home away from home. We are all exhausted, but we had so much fun today. So we're just gonna shower. What'd you say, Will?
I said super tired, but fun.
Super tired, but fun. Like, we did so much. Y'all see all the foot. Y'all see what we did. We got it in. If y'all had to be like, oh, who gonna see Arenal in a day? Bitch, it was us. And we did. Shout out to Carlos and No Limit Adventures and William for hooking us up with them for like this really good tour. The food was good, the views were good, and the weather was on our side today. It only rained like one time on us, which was really good. And it only rained for like 3 seconds. So yes, I encourage everyone to come here, come to Costa Rica, stay at Villa Sol and Playa Hermosa, and just explore around, like, you know, have fun. But tomorrow is our last full day. We leave on Monday. But all in all, it was a good trip. I'm excited to go home and see my family. I know everybody else is too, but I also don't want to fucking leave. But yeah, I will talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye.
y'all. So, woo.
And I
You better fall off. You better go fly.
Right.
Y'all don't see us. You know why.
We on the ground. Don't ever upload it because I fell off. And I rolled down the cliff, y'all. We are headed to the beach. It's our last day, our last full day. We leave tomorrow morning. We're leaving at like 9:30 to get to the airport on time and all that. So yeah, we're going to the beach. We're going to the beach. We about to get lit. We about to get drunk on the beach and then eat some lunch. Look at the booty cat. We're gonna get drunk on the beach and eat some food down there. I sleep when I go to that seafood place again and get some damn snapper and that shit.
No, we said we was going anyway.
Yeah, we were. We did say we was going anyway, so we're gonna go down there and eat the fuck good and get drunk as hell.
You know, let that bitches love it.
Yeah, we love to eat, okay? That part. So we're gonna go get drunk and we'll talk to y'all once we're late.
If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. You just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money.
So we made it to the beach, y'all. Yeah, Markane just went to go get a towel because she left hers in the room by accident. So she went to go buy one from the little mini mart. It's not far, but she'll be back. But when she gets back, we're turning up. We're turning up. So our last day's coming to an end. We're eating at the restaurant like we ate at, me and Drake ate at on like the second day before we went on the boat with the snapper I showed y'all. So we're back here again, but this time Markane is here because she didn't go on the boat ride with us because she was drunk the day before, hungover. So now we're taking her, and she's pescatarian, so she'll really enjoy it. But I'm gonna end the vlog for today. We're gonna eat, enjoy our time, then head back to the room and just make sure we're packed up, we have everything, and then get ready to leave tomorrow morning because our driver's picking us up at 9:30. So after we eat, we're just gonna go get cash at the ATM and let the reception know we're checking out tomorrow. We're leaving tomorrow, and then that'll be that. But this trip has been so much fun. Like, we literally had so much fun. So boom, we're about to eat good and call it a night. Bye, see you tomorrow. So we're about to leave, y'all. It's officially our last day in Costa Rica. Well, not last day, like our last morning, because we're about to head to the airport in about an hour and a half. It's about like 8 o'clock right now. We're leaving here about 9:30, but we're all packed and whatnot. We just have to get ready, but it's literally our last morning. It's the last time I'm gonna see this view. I'm not gonna say the last time because I'm definitely coming back to Costa Rica. It's such a beautiful place. I've never seen a place like this beautiful ever. So like literally, I'm just trying to soak it all in because I know I'll be back in Atlanta soon. But I'm not mad because I'm excited. I'm ready to see my mom and my friends there. So yeah, I'm ready to get back and make some money. But yes, so let me show y'all the view one last time. Soak it in because it's the last time we gonna see it on the vlog. I'm just gonna miss it. I'm going to miss it, but I'm going to close the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed all of our adventures and everything, and I hope you tune in more for my next travel destination, because I'm going to somewhere pretty cool in November, so stay tuned. See you guys later. Bye.
Passing up on my